what would you suggest?
Based on your looks, you look very, very appealing.
Thank you.
I think you can do cabin crew, you do very well.
What is the cabin something?
Cabin crew, those are air hostesses, as people call locally, but the professional way is cabin crew.
Okay, yeah, it's a bad idea. Which one is that you're doing?
Myself?
No, Zato.
Zato first did cabin crew, and now she's doing flight operations and dispatch.
Oh.
Yes. So she'll be able to plan the flight and thereafter advance to piloting.
Okay. Oh,
Yes, yes.
Zato flying.
Yeah.
Wow.
She will.
I can't wait.
Yeah, she will. She'll fly
We
soon.
can check the steps. I'm not too old to take the steps.
Yeah.
So we can check the steps.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So where do we go from here?
So we can go and meet the students.
Okay.
Nice to see you.
Okay.
As Uganda Aviation Academy, we are very excited to welcome Kapa on board. She is very interested in joining aviation,
Yeah.
and specifically cabin crew.
Yeah, for starters.
Based on her looks, I think she suits in that cabin crew career because she's lean and tall enough to reach the cabin. She also is a polite person, and that's what counts a lot in aviation. So I think she'll do very well in that. As Uganda Aviation Academy, we'll do all it takes to support you in your career growth.
I'm so humbled. I want to join. I was going through looking at what we could begin with, I want to begin with the cabin crew sector, and let's see how further we can get from there, Yeah, I love how they dress too.
Oh, nice.
When it comes to my kind of sense of fashion. Yeah, I'm really interested, and I'm encouraging everybody out there, don't let me do this alone. I want to bring in more of my friends that want to do this. And I'm proud of you guys who are doing this already. I'm so proud of you already. I mean, because you guys are not holding in this position too, Yeah, so I want to join you. Imagine, a performance while I pack up your a performing pilot. Yeah, I wanna go places too. I was inspired by Zato. Zato is my friend, actually, a very good friend. And I was seeing her shining before me, and I'm like, on the set, but here I am. I wanna do this too. Let's see where it takes us, Yeah.
So being a musician doesn't stop you from being a cabin crew?
I don't think so. I was not
or even a pilot or a dispatcher?
I was not reason to despise any kind of job. As long as it's bringing money to my pockets, I do not have a problem with it. As long as I can do it good, I can do that. But I don't hope to stop there. I want to start with it, see how it goes, go to the next level. Maybe I can fly someone out. Yeah, but I really hope to, we get bigger dreams when we grow up. Imagine I turn into a pilot after, because I don't plan to sing forever. I have to travel, and what better way to travel than be a pilot?
So, cabin crew is not for only Kabaka, Zato, it's for everybody, because the future is in aviation. Aviation industry is growing in Uganda, and once you join aviation, the world is like a small village. It means you can work anywhere, fly anywhere, do anything anywhere. So please do not limit yourselves. Come to Uganda Aviation Academy, and we train you in the very best aviation training of your choice. We have so many courses.
There's a lot of positions here. I just mentioned what I want to begin with, but there's a lot of them that they can come for. And I project so many. Aviation is the future. I am here. I expect a lot more of you here so that we do this. I love to travel. I love adventure, and I don't see any better way than aviation.
That's the way to go.
But I'm bad. Well, first of all, the atmosphere is beautiful. The student but bambi ekifo kirungi, bali very welcoming, buli omu abeera smiling, anange smiling lwaki nengenda back of pack. They're very beautiful people. Kati wosangidde ekyagezaako kunyikira mu kifo ani atubira kusaawe kunyikira mu kifo. Yeah, and I love the vibe. Njagala vibe gyensanzeewo, njagala kutandika nange nkuseemukko yino. Yeah, bampadde wano cabin crew, right? Yeah, cabin crew olw'obuwanvu makona ekimpesezabbi
naye enakumafrikalica bunula ebisongo
nga bwe nasoose okugamba njagala nnyo okutambula, njagala nnyo okulaba kyekisookerwako. Ekyokubiri njagala genda haya, sigamba nti agriculture ali low, ate era njagala ekintu kye naasobola okukola. Okitegeera sagala mbalime tugenze kulimanga ebintu tebibala. You know, I think eno position ejja kubeera better for me. Oba nga bonogamba emikwano gye neetoolodde kati ali abantu be neetoolodde obalaba ne ebirooto bye bagendamu. For example, zato tosobolera naye kutunuulira bulimu, ojja kwekanga ng'otunula sayidi eno. So I want to start trying because njagala traveling ate planning okuyimba paka kufa. At one point ngenda kuzuuka mbagambe maze. So mba nina okuba nga nina wetandikira. You know, so this is the time wekitandika. Era ngenda kitandika kati so that mwekubira akalango nze sigenda mutuwumula by Friday. Kisoboka ekintu oba okyagala kisoboka si buli ssaawa mbeera ku stage osheegerera. Most times kati nze kankuba obudde bwange obw'emisana obusinga bubeera free, nkola nnyo ekiro, so I can cut down on rest hour emisana nenzija I do this then nenzirayo ne tukola endongo. Enfuga naye tenfuga nnyo okunemesa kukola kiddako, and especially nga bwe gambye I need a back door, I need a way out. Kitegeeza nsobola okufuna obudde bwaki
bagamba bali mu temwasoma
Kapa yasoma. Kapa ina degree mu library and information science. So nasoma bulungi nnyo munnange just nayagala kuba ndoobo era bonna esimbamu nkuyisa bubi.
Definitely. Wano mu aviation twaniriza buli omu era tetusosola nti oba kapagati no ate yalina kwakulizo byetwetaaga nga bwomulaba waliyo koseza ezeetagisa omuntu nga mwavugalire nga ate alabika bulungi nga bwomulaba naye ate waliyo kosezi n'endala kuba zonna za njawulo. So omuntu yenna ayagala okujja okusoma nawe kennyini makona kyebawedda kiyinza kinnuma nga sagala kulaba mu kabini tuyinza okuba owa cargo management
ojja kukolekera abagenda
nyingi nnyo koses zosobola okusoma nawe oba oyagala jangu tukwaniriza.
Olinaanye omukazi omwenkana okuwamba ezibu ki bwe musanga ebyo bw'omubuulira kabeere aweeyo
The challenges are yet.
The challenges are Kapa is defined. To be precise, I believe she's a person who is ready to face all challenges. The challenges she would encounter wouldn't be anything big. As I has told you, she is ready to study. I believe those challenges already.
Abawala bali abatagala kusoma nga beegomba abantu balowooza nti mwasoma agezitibulwawo.
Okusoma kiri very important, very important. Make your choices. I would advise soma yigayo ekintu ky'emikono tokoowa kusoma because okusoma tekuggwala oshegane kati nyigira ssomero naye ng'ate mu bufunze waliwo babiriibinga nti nasoma banaye okusoma tekuggwayo yongerangako because ensi nnene abamu kumwe tumanyi only Uganda naye n'ensi nnene opportunities nyingi weggulirewo emiryango gy'okufuna opportunity ezo kubeera buli bagamba alina yakolaki yayongerwako. So njagala oku challenging buli ali eyo nga you believe onfaanana mu mbeera mu character that this is not only for the people you believe it is for all of us, it is for all of you. Oshegedde ntudde wano okwencouraginga bwali yagamba affe emmere ntebe affe nedda byaffe ffenna, you know. So let's all try, let's all show up. Showinze up yakifunamu, believe me on that. So show up, try out. Like I said before, aviation is the future. Gyogezeeko tomanyi nsi gyegenda kutwala. That's what I would encourage them. Nkudiramu makona bangi abalinga nze babelieving that we don't belong here. I am telling you, fenacha. So I'm going to expect all of you to get to some. You know want to make with my friends, so I expect all of you to turn up for this.
Kapa.
Yeah.
Bano.
Checho chenyini chegambe wali. Ekisooka nyambadde bulungi tonzijaako ekyo. Tomanyi bwembonye.
Emilia tulabe.
Kufuna top eno.
Emilia tulabe.
Tomanyi bwembonye. No gwe. Tomanyi bwembonye. But what I'm trying to say is this is not for only the people who mugamba bali masuuti. Oshegera. Obikakoko katono nokomya kale nno nogirajako nojja ne tusoma mu kitabo. Kyekyo kyennyini. Kati awo simanyi bwe kyogamba kirala. Kino kiri ku kya dress code. Just era nga bw'omanyi. I'm somebody who knows how to control myself. Togenda kunsanga nga ngenze ku church nga nkikoze. Wadde pastor bugembe manya bundi oli yagajja awo nga bw'oli. But obikako nojja ne tusoma later in the night we do our life. You know. That's the way. And I love the dress code of those people, so I'm impressed with that.
As we train the theaters, twasomesa practical and theory. Kati kuna abana tubatwala Dubai, tugenda twala abana more than 50 students again at Dubai to do practical training. Nanera they get a feel of what aviation is like. Yeah. So Senga what does sometime like maybe a week before Senga together fena. What at your kuna visa chinzo kolache chinzo otuzi bwalya nayenga Uganda Aviation Academy tukola byonna practical and theoretical training. Yeah.
That's beautiful. They practically take you to see
Dubai. Dubai, yes.
Wow.
We're going to Dubai for about 1 week, and we shall be interacting with the International Aviation Academy in the Emirates. Yeah, in the Emirates. Mabegake, we try to gain them for. We had gone to Addis Ababa. Yeah, and the two meeting, and we still interacted with the Ethiopian Aviation Academy. Yeah, and the chairman, it gives abana exposure.
Yeah. The education is not just down, you get to move. I like that.
Yeah.
But now it register you to that the next trip we are on. Definitely, because if I'm joining soon, then the next is not going to leave me.
Sure.
But I appreciate this one. I want all of you to come through.